Hi, I'm Kailas and let's learn English. Thinking in English can be a game changer for improving your fluency and confidence in the language. While it might seem challenging at first, developing a few consistent habits can make it much easier. Here are most important habits to help you start thinking in English more natural. The first one, when you see an object or a person, name them in English. One of the simplest way to start thinking in English is to take a moment, look around you and name all the objects that you can in English. If you can do that very easily, then you can move on. But if that's a challenge for you, spend some time an object naming. Every time you are in a new room, a new environment, take a few seconds to do it. For example, if you are in your living room, think of words like pillow, bed and blanket. To take it a step further, you can even put sticky note with English words in various objects around your home. This method helps create a direct associations between the object and its English name, making it easier to recall the words when you need them. Over time, you will find that you automatically think of the English word when you see the object, which is a great step towards thinking in English. Another thing you can do is talk to yourself. For example, I am walking, I am in the park, that guy is singing a song, and say nice thing to yourself every day. Thank you.